Would you like to own a successful manufacturing business? Hi, my name is Peter Nola, and this is a one-stop paving, manufacturing and distribution business, and it's for sale. This company specialises in providing bespoke concrete paving products to fulfil the specific requirements of its customers. With great systems in place and a reputation for quality, the business is showing a solid year-on-year performance and is now well positioned and ready for a new owner to step straight in. It would ideally suit someone who has the sales skills to drive the business forward, liaise with clients and manage the production while still employing the staff to do the day-to-day production work. Backed by plant and equipment with a book value of $80,000 plus and an approximate stock value of $60,000, this means great buying for a new owner as the goodwill cost is low. If you want to own this profitable manufacturing business, give me a call, Peter Nola, right now.